Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all are well. Friend, today I'll show you one simple but effective tips, which is how you can set time for Windows PC log off, restart, shutdown, hibernate or sleep time with a small software. Friend, you may done this process with command prompt, but for this you need to be remember some codes. And if you try this process at any other restricted computer, then you need to be administrator access. But if you use this software, then you can run this software at any other restricted computer because this is a portable software. Here you can see the software. The size of this file is 72.9 KB. This is really so small software. I do not share this software download link in this video description due to the YouTube community guideline. But if you want this software, then please email me at this email address. I will give your email reply with the download link. So after download the software, unzip it. If you go to the folder, then you may see these two files. Now if you run the software, then you may see this type interface. Guys, after run the software, if you do not see this interface, then you may find this software at here, and here you can see the icon. Just double click on it and you will see this interface. This is really so simple and nice software. So in this software, here you can see some options. First, this 3 box is for set time, this box is for hour, this box is for minute, and this box is for second. Now at this drop down box you will find 5 options: log off, reboot, shutdown, hibernate and sleep. So select which option you want. For example, if you like to sleep your PC after 1 hour, 45 minutes and 35 seconds, then put 1 here for 1 hour, 45 here for 45 minutes and 35 here for 35 seconds. Then from this drop down box, select sleep and click on the start button, and here you can see the time is running out. Now if you like to stop this process, then click on the stop button, and if you like to change the sleep option to shutdown option, then from this drop down box select shutdown option and again click on the start button. Friend, if you close this software by clicking on this cross symbol, then this software may not be closed properly. This software may be minimized at here, and here you can see the icon. Just double click on it and here you can see the software is running. If you want to close this software totally, then click on this cross symbol first, then go to this section, right click on this icon and select exit. And here you can see the software icon is not showing. Now I like to show you is this software work or not. So I'm set up 15 seconds for shut down my laptop and start. Here you can see the time is running out. And here you can see my laptop is shut down automatically. So I hope now you know how this software work and also like this software. If you are, then click on the like button. If you have any question and if you do not get the download link after email me, then please comment below. As soon as possible I will give your question reply and also send you email with the download link. If you like to stay with this YouTube channel, then please subscribe with the bell icon. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe, stay home due to COVID-19. See you in the next video.